Squarespace lets your content speak for itself. Our blogging platform features seamless media management and real-time comments, allowing you to create a blog with fresh and exciting content that's sure to fascinate your viewers. In this video, you'll learn how to add a blog page, create and organize your blog posts, push your posts to social media, and more. To start, click Pages within the Home menu. Then click the plus icon to add a new page. Select Blog from the New Page menu and enter a name for your blog page. In the blog panel, click plus to add a new post. Enter a post title within the Enter a Post Title field. You can start typing your text content here, or use the Paste as Plain Text button to paste a body of text. The blog post editor allows you to create content using content blocks. Simply click on any insert point and choose your block. To organize your blog by subject, you can add categories and tags to your blog post. Next, you'll notice you can enable or disable comments for a blog post by clicking Comments On or Off. If you share your post on social profiles that support images, like Facebook, the thumbnail image will appear in the post. If you tend to write longer posts, or if your posts are heavy with images or videos, a blog excerpt makes it easier for viewers to scroll through your blog and click Posts to read in full by clicking Read More. To create this, simply add text within the Post Excerpt field. You can also edit your blog post URL, choose an author for the post, and set a source URL. Within the Location tab, add an address to represent the location of your post. Just keep in mind that not all templates use or display location information for blog posts. Select the Social tab to view your push-enabled social accounts. As a note, you'll first need to connect your social accounts within your Connected Accounts area to see these social accounts appear as options here. Once you publish your post, Squarespace can send the title, URL, and author of a new post to the selected services based on how you configure your push options. All posts start off as drafts by default. Here you can publish the post, schedule it for the future, mark it for review, or keep it as a draft. Click the Save and Publish button to save the entry, and it will automatically change it to published. In the blog panel, you can manage your blog post. Search for a blog post for editing or publication using the search bar at the top of the panel. Filter the search to show all results, drafts only, review only, or schedule posts only. To edit an existing post, click the Edit button next to your post. To move one blog post to another blog page, press and hold the Shift key and click the items you want to move. You can then click Move Items and select the destination blog page. Once you've added tags and categories to your blog, you can use various blocks to create a layout that allows visitors to view similar posts based on their interests. For example, by using the Summary block and using the tag or category filter, you can display content with those tags and categories. You can also add a navigation link to a tag or category. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.